start with, my name is Devyani and she has already introduced me. We have implemented 5 modules of SuccessFactors in last more than a year. We started with the organization. If I talk about NEC, the parent organization is a 100,000 people organization. We, in India, we are the global delivery center for them. So the strength, currently we have around 1100 employees. So when we are already using SAP products, which is SAP BYD and Greatip from last, I think 7 years. When our strength was around 250, 300, around 350. Once we have grown to 800, 900 plus employees, we felt that these particular products of SAP are not serving our purpose to the core, because the processes were changing, the policies were changing. We are moving in a very fast pace in terms of multiplying the revenue as well as the numbers of employee headcount. So we felt a need of a system which can take care of all the aspects of HR. I'm only talking from the point of view of HR. The finance is taking care of their own thing, the purchase is taking care of their own thing, but it is a consolidated and integrated system, definitely. So we felt that in HR, as there are lot of transactions, lot of transactions, and increasing from 250 people to 1200 people is not an easy task. So we can't multiply the human resources in HR accordingly. So we felt badly we need a system which can take care of end to end of HR. In my organization, payroll is not in HR. It is taken care by finance. So we tried to explore systems, and SAP proposed us with SuccessFactors. Our parent organization was also using SuccessFactors, but unfortunately right now they are not using it. They stopped using it for some reason. So we viewed and we checked, we discussed, and then we started working out with